Welcome to my channel. My name is Unwana Udoh. My channel is focused on educating people interested in improving their personal finance. Make sure to watch this video till the end on tips to improve your personal finance in 2021. Whether or not you choose to ignore it, you cannot deny the truth that your personal finance will always be your responsibility. When it comes to personal finance, many people turn a blind eye to the fact that personal finances need to be managed. Personal finance is an ever-growing popular term for adults and teenagers alike, regardless of whether you are earning an income or not. After all your bills have been paid, family members have to be fed and you have to maintain your lifestyle. The biggest and most neglected step for many families is teaching their kids how to manage their money. Teenage finance is about educating teens on the value of money. Teach them how to save by showing them how to develop a saving mentality. This can be incorporated through the child's piggy banks, savings accounts, and chores in exchange for money. Teenage finance is an important part of your personal finance. When your children learn to save and use money wisely, you are ultimately saving yourself from bailing them out of financial troubles in the future. Personal ethics and finance go hand in hand. If you have a good relationship with yourself, you will be able to save money. You won't feel the urge to do things that go against your ethics, like sign up for a credit card using someone else's name. Personal finance involves taking a few steps towards safeguarding your money. Your money spent should not exceed your money received. In order to prevent this from happening, you should create a personal financial budget and use it to manage your finances. Each month, write down how much income you made and how much you spent. Make a list of all your expenses so you can keep track of your money. You will be amazed at how much you spend on things that are not necessities. Create a budget and stick to it. Always get the best deal for your money, and remember that cheaper does not necessarily mean lower quality. After all, it is your money. Managing your personal finances should be a mandatory part of making money work for you. Personal finance is an integral part of managing your resources and will be very vital as we approach the new year. As of the making of this video, we are still recovering from the global health pandemic, which has devastated many economies. If you ever want to live a life of financial independence, you must pay close attention to your personal financial management. We live in a society where consumerism is encouraged and we are constantly being bombarded with advertising and marketing tactics. If you want your personal finance to improve in 2021, you must change your relationship with money. Here are tips for improving your personal finance in 2021. Number 1. Create a personal financial budget. A budget is a personal financial roadmap on how to manage your income and expenses. Without a budget, you are bound to mismanage your resources and incur debt. If you want to be financially secure, you must do things contrary to what everyone else is doing. For help with creating your budget, watch the video till the end for a link to my 70-20-10 budget plan. You will find this valuable. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss new videos from my channel. Number 2. Increase your cash flow. The key to financial abundance is cash flow. Without cash flow, you will have trouble creating wealth. There are many ways to increase cash flow. First, you can reduce your expenses while maintaining your income. Next, you can increase your income while reducing or maintaining the same level of expenses. The key is making sure that you are spending less than you are making, and this difference is your cash flow. By 2021, you must concentrate on increasing your cash flow by developing multiple sources of income. For more income-producing activities, make sure to check my channel on how to start an affiliate marketing business and other online businesses. Number 3. Grow your net worth. The name of the game is net worth. The wealthy focus on growing their net worth and not just on income. The middle class concentrates on income and using this income to acquire liabilities they think are assets. One of your goals for 2021 should be to increase your net worth. You must invest in income-producing assets that generate cash flow on a consistent basis, which enables you to acquire even more assets. On this channel, I have a video on the net worth formula. I will leave a link below in the description if you are interested in learning this important formula. Make 2021 your best year ever, regardless of what is happening externally. Don't be influenced by family, friends, and acquaintances. Stay focused on your personal financial goals. Remember, at the end of the day, you are responsible for your personal finance. If you found value so far, hit the like button and share this video with others. Also, consider subscribing to the channel for more great content. I really appreciate your support. The next videos on the screen contain information you will love. Click to watch them now and I will see you there.